Alright, that's cool. About to dust this nigga, man.
You're not.
Dust. Yeah.
That's not funny. Don't say that.
What if he in here watching?
He's not in here. He's not. What if he was though?
Oh, that'd be hilarious. Somebody hold the phone though. I don't even know.
Yeah, somebody's gonna hold the phone.
No excuses.
No excuses. $500.
Yeah.
Okay. So $250 each.
That's cool.
Okay.
Nah, it's $250 though.
$250 each is $500 pop.
Okay.
All right. So how are we gonna do this? Can he turn the lights on in the car?
Hey.
Huh? With the lights on? Yeah.
Lights on. Brent, turn your lights on.
Did they do anything? Yeah, we'll race to the 25 sign and stop. All right, bro. Somebody get this camera. Turn it around.
They gotta have to go down there though.
Somebody's got to go down. Why?
You might just say go.
Oh. Duh. Yeah. Me? Exactly. Wait, why not? Wait, what? That means I'm black for real. Bro, we're gonna lose, bro. Alright, $250 right out. Reverse boat. Let's go. My bad. So wait, are we just racing it in? Okay. Stand in the middle. Hey, get in the middle. Middle. Three, two, one, on, go. Jay-Z?
On your mark. Get set. Go.
I got you, bitch.
That's me.
Yachty. My bad.
Like, I won.
No, it wasn't him.
I won.
No, it couldn't have been him.
Nah, that was close.
I won.
No, it wasn't you.
I won.
They said Adin L.
That was close.
Nah, who won? Who won it?
I was too busy
Who won it?
recording that shit.
Who won?
That shit was a tie, honestly. That shit was close.
It looked close to me.
Who won?
You vote though.
Nah, W. Adin. I got the win. Who won?
You guys smacked the phone out of my hand.
Why would you smack it?
I don't know, bro.
Smack my ass. Just kidding. Hold on. Should we want to run it back?
No.
Nigga almost blew it
I won.
I gotta go to sleep now.
Hey, that nigga said it's over with.
I'm tired as fuck.
Hey, shout out to Boat though, for real.
Gang shit.
That's my brother right here.
Gang shit.
Real Atlanta shit. No cap slat. I keep it. What?
Chill out, bro.
Okay, my bad. My bad, twin.
Oh, fuck, I'm out of here.
You okay, Slime?
No, I'm not. Bro.
Hey, and that was a cool little 40-50 yarder though. I ain't gonna lie. That wasn't even a 40.
So, are we just saying it to tie?
That's okay.
All right.
That's fair.
All right, bro. Have a good one, all right? Good luck on the album. I'm going to go back to my stream on Twitch. Shout out to Yachty, bro. Shout out to Boat. He came through. He got fucked. He know what's up. Just close that. Actually, I think we leave it open. Oh, I think I won, bro. I'm going to run that back on my stream right now. I won, bro, and he smacked my fucking phone. We have 75,000 viewers on Instagram live right now. That's dope. Follow my fucking IG right now. Follow me on Instagram. Right fucking now. We got 75,000 of this motherfucker. And this is most viewers I've ever had on Instagram. Just to say, I want to say I'm sorry, Paul G. For real. I'm going back on my Twitch stream. Probably lost hella viewers though. Yeah, we're back down at 84K on Twitch. Guys, just follow my Instagram is all I ask. We live right now on Twitch. We still got 93K, 90K. That's insane. Oh, fuck. I won, bro. And we're going to rewatch this shit.